everyone and welcome to the channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you the part 2 of how to read alongside in your video. Like when you are filming your video, you are in the video, then you're reading as you're scrolling. The effects of scrolling will be showing up in the video at the same time. In the first video I just showed you the effect, okay, of basically the results of how it will look like. Then this particular video, which is the part 2, I'm going to be showing you, taking you through my editing app, showing you how to really come up with this video, how to put it up to really look like what you saw in the part 1 of how to read in your video alongside as you're scrolling. The effect of scrolling in what you're reading will be showing while you are in the video. Okay, so this is a practical video where I'm going to be showing you my editing app, how I did it, how I brought everything together in my editing app, and basically how the result of that video you saw in part 1. Okay, so this is a video you want to stick around and watch till the end. Now we go to CapCut, you tap to open. So we are going to import 2 videos here. The very first video was the one I was filming holding my phone, okay, and the second video was the one I was holding my phone and I was screenshotting what I was saying. Okay, now let's bring in the first video, which is the main video where I was filming myself. So this is the video. Hello guys, how are you doing? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to add. So this is the video where I was filming myself. Assuming this main video is already edited, okay, this is the video 1. Then the video 2, remember that we recorded our screen using another phone, so I used 2 phones here like I said in the first video. So I'm going to be transferring that particular video to this particular phone where I'm going to be using to edit. That's what you're going to do. You're going to have 2 phones. You're going to use one to record your screen while holding it, then the other one to be filming you while screen recording your screen holding the phone. I don't know whether this makes sense. Okay, so that is just it. You're going to have 2 videos and one main video in the particular phone you're going to use to edit. The other video you're going to transfer it maybe through Xender, okay, to the phone you are going to use to edit and where the main video is. Okay, so you should know when to bring in that particular video in the editing app. Okay, remember that the one I was holding was mainly for screen recording. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this particular main video is to locate that particular point when or where I started screen recording. Then I'm going to bring in the video starting from that point. Okay, so we are going to use the feature called the PIP. So as you guys can see, you're going to see PIP here. This is PIP. So I'm going to tap on the PIP. I've already transferred that screen recording video here. So I'm going to locate the point where I talked about, opening my screen recording. It's at that particular point you turned on your screen recorder that you're going to import the video, okay, that you screen recorded using the PIP feature in your editing app. Tap on PIP. Then you're going to look for the particular video you imported. So I have the video here. So I imported the video using Xender. I transferred, the video in from the phone I used to screen record to the main phone, okay, where I'm going to be editing the content, right? So this is the video. So I'm going to tap. So remember, this is a screen recording video, okay? So I'm just going to locate, make sure that the voices are synchronizing. Then I have to turn on one, voice. So let's check. The voice is going to synchronize with the main video voice. Listen, I have 2 voices turned on here and they are synchronized. So listen very attentively now. Let me play it. It will start reading. Then you are going to go to back. Okay, then you are going to go to Google. So you tap on this. So we are going to shift this particular screen recording video to the side. You can kind of drag it. Okay, you go to this stick sign, you tap on it, then you tap on the main video here. Then you can shift your main videos to the other side, okay, while your screen recording will be at the other side here. Okay, so remember, this was the PIP through which we imported the screen recording video. I imported this through the PIP feature. That was how I brought in this video, okay, this screen recording video here. So let's tap on PIP. So both voices are synchronizing. Okay, to start reading, then you are going to go to back. Okay, then you are going to go to Google, right? So what we're going to do is to mute one voice, because we have two voices here, the one from the main video and the one from the screen recording video, and both of them are synchronized, but we have to put off one so that it will sound natural, and the one we are going to put off is the one that has the screen recording voice, and we're going to leave the one that sounds in the main video. Okay, so all you need to do is to come to the PIP video, you tap on the PIP, and you're going to locate the volume button, which is here. Okay, you tap on volume, then you have to turn the slider to 0. Okay, you turn the slider of the volume of the screen recording video to 0. Okay, so we are going to be left with the volume of the main video. We've turned off the volume of this because we don't want two voices. Okay, though they are synchronized, but we don't want two voices, we just want one. Okay, since both are synchronized, and also okay, it will make it look more natural, right? So we are going to play it from here. We are going to go to Google and we are going to type in how. So as you guys can see here, how as I'm talking here is reflecting here. So that is just how you can do this. As I'm talking here is reflecting here. That is how you can be talking in a video, and at the same time your screen is moving as you're talking. As you're scrolling your screen, okay, everything is just moving accordingly while you are still in the video. Okay, just like the previous video I uploaded last before this particular one. Okay, so this was how I did everything, and that is how you can achieve that. Like I said, you have two videos. One is the one you're holding your phone and you're screen recording your screen. Then the other one is the one filming you while you're holding the phone that you're using to screen record your screen. Okay, then you bring it into your app, you bring in the main video. Okay, then at the point where you started screen recording your video, you bring in the second video and bring it through this particular feature called the PIP feature. So that is how you can achieve that. Hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you got value from this. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let me play it one more time from here so you see what I meant. Of course, if you watch the previous video, you're going to see the result of this thing I just did here. How to cook. Okay, so everything is just rhyming, and that is how you can achieve that. See you guys in my next one, and bye for now.